Good morning, aviation fanatics. Reporting live from the frozen tundra of Birmingham. Yes, folks, it is so cold here that even the planes are shivering. Trust me, I almost turned into an icicle in bed. But for your amazing people, I made the ultimate sacrifice, jumped out from my warm, cozy cocoon, and sprinted straight to Birmingham Airport. I think I left half my soul in the blanket. So guys, do me a solid, like, share and subscribe to keep this chilly adventure going. Let's make some turbulence together, metaphorically of course. Now let's drive in before I turn into snowman. Ready for the takeoff. Let's go. So my aviation lovers, here are 10 fun facts about the mighty Airbus A380, the gentle giant of the skies. So guys, size matter, isn't it? The A380 is so big it makes other planes look like they skip leg day. It's basically a flying cruise ship with wings. My aviation lovers, it's a double trouble A380. It's the only plane with a double-decker design that runs from nose to tail. Think of it as an airborne double-decker bus, but way less crowded and with fewer annoying tourists. Four big fans. The A380's four massive engines can produce over 300,000 pounds of thrust combined, basically like having four giant hairdryers strong enough to lift an entire city block. Wow. Wing it, man! With a wingspan of almost 80 meters, its wings are so wide that they wouldn't fit on a football field. So when it's parked, don't expect a normal game of airport soccer. Some airlines, looking at you, Emirates, pimped out their A380s with showers, bars and first-class suites. It's basically like flying in a 5-star hotel, except 40,000 feet up and no room service. Library quiet. For something that looks like a floating apartment complex, the A380 is surprisingly quiet. You don't think this jumbo jet would roar, but nope, it's the library monitor of the sky. Airports needed a makeover. Airports had to widen runways and reinforce gates for the A380, like adding an extra large dressing room for a celebrity diva. This beast has a maximum takeoff weight of around 1.2 million pounds, basically the weight of 100 elephants taking a joyride to Europe. Wow. Smooth operator. Its fly-by-wire technology makes flying this giant a breeze. The pilots don't need to flex muscles. It's all about joysticks vibes, mate. Despite its size, the A380's fuel consumption per passenger is similarly to an economy car. Imagine driving a tiny car to work if it could also carry 800 of your closest friends. So guys, next time you see an Airbus A380, just remember it's like the friendly giant of the sky. ready to carry everyone and a few cocktails across the globe. So guys, I hope you enjoyed these funny facts. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much for your cooperation and for your love.